In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Affinity by Canva. Start by opening the app and open up a canvas, preferably a blank canvas. Now in the left toolbar, choose the text tool. It looks like a capital T, and here you'll see two options. One is the artistic text tool. These are used for titles, logos, big decorative text. Just click once and start typing. We also have here the frame text. These are used for paragraphs or long text. You can click and drag to create a text box and type inside it. Now to edit your text, click on it, then highlight the text. Now use the top toolbar to edit the font, the size, color, alignment, line spacing, and style. And in the left toolbar, click on the Move tool to drag your text anywhere. You can also drag the box edges to resize frame text without changing the font size. You can also go to the right sidebar to add shadows, outlines, opacity changes, blending modes, and background shapes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!